Today I'm going to be making crispy salt and pepper wings. Here I have around 2 pounds of wings. These are the flats. Use the drumettes or flats, whichever you like. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. And if you're using fine salt, you can use a half teaspoon of salt. I'm using a little more because this is a coarse ground salt. Now I'm going to add freshly cracked pepper, around 1/4 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm going to use my clean hands and give it a good mix. I'm going to marinate my chicken wings for at least 30 minutes. I'll probably have them in the fridge for about 45 minutes and then remove them from the refrigerator to take the chill off of the chicken and set them on the counter for about 15 to 20. So my wings are marinated, so now it's time to coat and dredge them. Here I have a 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and I'm just going to lightly coat and dredge each wing. And after coating, I'm going to place it on a baking sheet to set. I'm going to repeat the process for all the wings, and once all of my wings are coated, I'm going to let them set for about 10 to 15 minutes before frying. My fry oil is up to temperature. You want it at least at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I took mine to around 360-65. I'm going to fry my wings in batches as to not crowd the pan. And I'm going to fry them twice. For the first fry, I'm going to let them cook and fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once this batch is done, I'm just going to repeat the process for the second batch. Now that my wings have fried for the first fry, it's time for the double fry. Back into my fry oil, and I'm going to fry these for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the exterior is extra crispy and golden brown. After the double fry, I've placed them on a baking sheet with a rack. And as you can hear, these are extra crispy. It's almost like glass. So I'm just going to place all of my wings in a large bowl, and I'm going to season them with a combination of salt and pepper. Now today I'm being a little extra. Here I've added 20 pink peppercorns and 20 black peppercorns with 1 teaspoon of coarse salt, and I just combined it and grinded it all up. You can just use salt and pepper, and it is to taste. I'm not going to use this entire seasoning that I've created here. I'm just going to sprinkle to preference, and that's it. These are simple to make and they're so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.